out here vlogging, man. Playing the parking lot right now, but eventually, y'all see the title and thumbnail. I'm about to go take my girl on the helicopter ride, and because it's our anniversary, so we about to go get breakfast right now, and then later on we're gonna go on the helicopter ride and enjoy that. You know what I mean, I've never been on a helicopter. She never been on a helicopter, so we're gonna definitely have some fun and like tour over the beach or either the city of Atlantic or the Atlantic City or either wherever they got. I mean, I'll show y'all whatever one we pick, and I'm gonna see. So, you know what I'm saying? We stayed at Harris for right now, but we really like Ocean. Ocean is really where it's at. Ocean. Shout out to Ocean Resort. That shit hit. But I'm gonna catch y'all, man. We out here cooling. About to go eat some breakfast. Got Tupac gear on. You know what I'm saying? It's cooling. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a bit. So y'all, we at PF Chang's right now. You know what I'm saying? Got my baby making that little juice. Yeah, you know by itself. Go ahead, baby. Tear that thing up. Yeah. You see me on the camera. I'm just cooling. About to try this lettuce wrap. You know what I'm saying? That's how you supposed to do it. Yeah. I think of this. This is the second one right here. Second boy with shining. You know what I'm saying? You can go ham. No strawberry lemonade. Ain't no thing. That's how you feed your girl. I do that every night. Crazy. Nah, we playing this PF Chang's, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Stop playing with me. Tell him, baby. Yo, I ate PF Chang's for the first time. It was so good. Like, the food was tasty, it was fresh, everything. Shrimps. The cheesecake was good too. That shit was bomb. Shout out to PF Chang's. We out going back to the car. It's crazy because when I get on a helicopter, it's gonna be my first time ever being on anything in the air. I've never been on a plane. It's crazy how I'm going on a helicopter before a plane. Who you know who do that? That's crazy. So I never seen somebody do it, and nobody told me they've been on a helicopter before a plane. So I'm gonna be on a helicopter. Stay tuned. Corpse right there, boy. Nips, you know what I'm saying? You see no nips out here. No, we out here cooling, boy. Water on the feet, you know what I mean? I don't wear no bare feet out in the sand, man. I like the socks on my feet. Comment down below you like socks on your feet at the beach. I don't like no sand on my feet. Look at that little seat. baby. Yes, sir. Yeah. Airplane time. Here I go, airplane. Because I've never been on an airplane, but I'm going on a helicopter though. Feel me? Copter before a plane. That's crazy. Getting on a helicopter before a plane. Most people get on planes before copters. I'm getting on a helicopter before a plane. So, you know me. Keep it moving. A lot of people out here though. Shit lit. I'm gonna catch y'all in a little bit. Move through this traffic. Hear it. Get on this helicopter. Stop saying plane. I'm getting on a plane too. I'm going to Jamaica. So stay tuned to them vlogs too. You heard me? Yeah. This your first time on a helicopter, right, baby? Yeah, it's crazy. The ocean is so deep, like it's far, yo. This is my first time ever being on anything in the air, yo. I'm like really like, never been on a plane. And I'm going on a helicopter for my first time. It's crazy. Monumental though. When am I ever gonna get on a helicopter? Like, so I'm taking this chance. So I'm going at it. I can't be scared. I'm a little nervous. I've never been up in there, high that in the air. So, and at that, it's a helicopter. So, I mean, all the tragic stories and everything like that. So, I'm going up in a helicopter. I'm gonna see y'all when I get up there. What's your name, by the way? Bethany. Bethany? Alright, nice to meet you. Video. We definitely had a good time, man. AC, but make sure I like, comment, subscribe. That plane, the helicopter ride. I keep saying plane, but helicopter ride was a good helicopter ride, man. Shout out Bethany, that was the pilot. Shout out to her. That was hot. That was hot. You enjoyed it, baby? Yeah. shit was chilling, man. I got like stuff all over my drum. I was just eating a waffle ice cream right now. The drum was slamming. We out here on the boardwalk just chilling, away from everybody, just cooling. We got our stuff chilled, you know what I mean? We're gonna chill for a little bit. And today's our last day. We got into tomorrow, but today's our last day down. It was fun. Shout out to my cousins and them. They was down here at the boardwalk too, but they back at the hotel now. So shout out to them. We enjoyed ourselves though, but make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the vlogs. We're going to Vegas too. There's a lot of stuff coming, so stay tuned. I'm gonna see you on the next one, man. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the positive feedback. Thanks for everything. I appreciate y'all, man, for real. Thank you. Yo, we back at the hotel, man. Just want to throw this in the vlog. Before I cut it off, you know what I'm saying? Oh, that's a nightcap. Yeah. Baby had a good time?
Yes.
All right, bet. We watching the game right now. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my boy Shaq. Charles Barkley. You know what I'm saying? Ernie. And you can't forget about, you know what I mean, Kenny. My boy Kenny.
TV.
I did show the TV. It was right there.
No, you showed my whole food again.
Nah, I did. She tripping, y'all. She on some medicated. She from LA and Cali, so you know, Cali people got that legal shit out there. You know what I'm saying? It's passed. They passed the bill out here in Atlantic City, in New Jersey. Smoke that ganja. But I don't condone any drugs. I don't smoke or drink no more. So you know, sober life. Shout out to the sobers out there. Keep continuing to do your thing. You know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all, man. Hope everybody have a good night. Be safe and get home to your family members, man, your loved ones.
He doesn't want
It's
to
always
give me
enough.
chicken.
She don't need no chicken. We had PF Chang's yesterday, but
Yesterday is still 11:35.
earlier today in the daytime. My bad. I'm tired, so bear with me. But I just want y'all to know that, man, get back to your family, man, your loved ones out there, man. Everything, it ain't forced to be upon everything else. Like, don't force anything that don't need to be forced, man. It's always good. You could walk away from the negative, man. Don't push it to where it don't need to be. Like, forget all everything. Remember, you got a family that loves you, and you got people that care for you at the end of the day. So continue to go where you need to go and get what you need to get. Don't worry about anybody else feeding bullshit to you. Just continue to do you. Continue to be positive. Continue to be yourself, who you came in this world to be, man. Don't worry about anybody else pushing their fears on you. Don't ever let anybody do that to you. Feel me? Continue to just be you. That person behind the camera, you're great. And I see y'all on the other side, man. I'm out. I'm gonna call it tonight. This is the last video I'm posting on here. But I'm calling it a night, man. I'm gonna see y'all in the next vlog. I'm out. Peace.